When it comes to your relationship with money, are you keeping your head in the sand? On today's short video, I am going to be sharing why this is such a huge mistake. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom, and I help people step into their truth and power. Do you procrastinate on money-making activities? Or do you hesitate to open bills or look at your bank statements or even send out invoices requesting for money? Do you not know your numbers? From your monthly expenses to how much money you bring in every month, to how much money you owe on your credit cards, down to the dollar and at what interest rate? Do you lack a true plan as you relate to money and just keep ignoring your money, hoping that things will work out for you? All of these are ways that you are keeping yourself in the dark about money, and it's a way of ignoring the relationship you have with money. Why are so many people reluctant to change the way that they are relating to money, even if it's for their ultimate financial benefit? Well, a recent bank rate survey taken just a few months ago reported that 61% of people in the US are unable to cover an unexpected $1,000 bill with savings. And those that do have less than 3 months of expenses saved. So why are so many reluctant to change the way they save so that they can be better off? Maybe some of them simply aren't very good at keeping track. But I'm sure that there are many who are just sticking their head in the sand to avoid knowing how big their debt really is. And the same logic can be applied to thinking about the interest rates they have on their credit cards too. So today I'm sharing 4 quick tips to help you keep your head out of the sand. Number 1, set aside a regular time to check your bank accounts. Mark the calendar, set an alarm on your phone, and see whether you can set up your digital banking to regularly send you your balance. On the surface, this might seem scary, especially if you're spending more than you can afford, but checking your bank accounts regularly can help keep you on top of your finances and stop you from slipping into the head-burying territory. Number 2, bundle the chore with something rewarding. If a more thorough review of your money feels daunting, bundle it with something that you love. For example, hold off on watching the next episode of that must-watch TV series until you've checked your balance and have made the necessary budgeting adjustments. You'll feel more motivated to check your balance if you know the chore will unlock a reward for you. So just make sure the indulgence you choose doesn't end up costing you even more or too much. Number 3, think about your future self. Think about your future self. What are your aspirations for your future, and what will you need to set aside today to ensure that you will be able to reach those goals tomorrow? Imagining your future self and thinking about what you desire to achieve is a great way to get motivated saving more. And lastly, number 4, celebrate small successes. Those big goals are good to keep in your mind, but make sure to set concrete shorter-term goals to help you get there. As reviewing the status of your money becomes more routine, you'll be able to recognize even small steps in the right direction. Feel good about those small steps. Feel good about those successes and taking control of your spending and savings, because this is what will put you on the right path. But if you truly want to feel empowered around your money and experience being an abundant CEO of not just your business, but of your life, doing these 4 things is a great start. But if you want to make real, lasting change, you have to take a real, honest look at your relationship with money. For many people, this can feel terrifying. It might even feel like drudgery or even cumbersome. But it doesn't have to feel terrifying like drudgery or cumbersome. Let me show you how to do this in a way that feels more fun and easy and even exciting. On June 1st, I'm launching a brand new course titled the Money Empowerment Bootcamp. It's a 30-day program with 4 weeks of live instruction and coaching support to help you break through the worry, fear, and limiting beliefs that you have in your relationship with money. In week 1, we're going to focus on clearing your worries, fears, and limiting beliefs about money and defining what your real desires are. In week 2, we're going to look at how to rewire your brain to bring in abundance. In week 3, we're going to focus on how to release with ease so you can open up to receive. And in week 4, we're going to learn how to kiss bad money habits and beliefs goodbye and attract new abundance. You'll also be a part of an online group of like-minded people who are in the same place as you, doing the course alongside of you and sharing their experience and asking questions as well. I've basically taken everything that I've successfully learned, implemented myself, and have coached others in to create the Money Empowerment Bootcamp. So if you would like to learn how to do this in a way that is easier and more enjoyable, while also rewiring your limiting money beliefs and rewriting your money story away from worry, dread, and fear into a feeling of empowerment, abundance, and freedom, then this bootcamp is for you. There will be a small investment for this bootcamp, a small investment of time, about an hour or so each week to attend the live training, which will begin taking place on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern for 4 weeks, starting on Wednesday, June 1st. It will also require a small investment in energy. You will need to make the time to begin applying what you're learning each week from the instruction. And then lastly, it will require a small investment in money, just $49.97 for this powerful experience in the 30-day Money Empowerment Bootcamp. So to join, simply click on the link that I've dropped in the comments below to join the Money Empowerment Bootcamp. I've put it in the comments below for you to click on, and I look forward to sharing all of this exciting work with you. And so until I connect with you again for my next video, be well, be healthy, but most of all, be empowered.